Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're back playing Stray. I know the last video had like 5 views, but that's okay. It's just a fun game, and I've been needing to play this. Can I knock this over? That's good. Okay. One task. Has it call me every time you need help? Yep. Go to... Okay. Tap. Our little flashlight. Nice. Alright. Well, I don't know if this guy can catch up, but I'm pretty sure this building is... you can, like, jump up also. I don't know any other places where I can jump up. There are some people down there, but I think that's it. Very cool. What's the meow button? Oh, it's all. Yep, it's all. Oh, we could go. Could I not jump? I could get up. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Could I could get up there. Oh, definitely. I think this is actually the right way to go. What's Q do? I can make a mess. I think that's what it's saying. What? Left on. Okay. Okay. Wow, that was so early. How did she get scared? Ooh, he's mad. I mean, that's just what cats do, honestly. I was gonna say I have a cat behind me, but he's in the other room now. Before talk to Viprola. Oops. News. Let's look at the news. Get some alien language. Breaking news. And we have a little Monopoly Man in the corner. Pretty cool. But my journey is not yet over. Spoon. A library. Oh my gosh. It went from spooky to playful. To translate. Oh my, right. Hey dog, I've found keys for your safe. You need to be more careful with these. I got keys. It's not enough to bury your... it's not enough to bury your safe behind a bunch of books. Okay, we need knockdown books. Whoa. That's all cat. Alright, jump down. So somewhere in here, we have, how to develop your artificial intelligence in order to be as creative as a real human. Volume 42, and I guess they died reading that because they're not very creative. Oh, that's for the library, not library, the musician girl. Very cool. Like the music. One question. We can get up in there. It's a little bubble. Cats can climb ladders, okay? So, I don't know what's going on. He could, okay, guess not. Oh, it's this place. Pretty cool. So. Yeah, it's... We haven't gone down here, I don't think so. Okay. And we're not gonna jump that way? Okay. Space. Oh, oh my, that's, okay, that's cool. Use item, select item. Pretty cool. What did we find? A book. It's a strange notebook with a symbol on it. Seems to belong to someone named Doc. After weeks of research, I've combined the specter form of a powerful UV lamp with this. We should be able to keep off we should be capable of warding off the Zurks on our way out. Ooh. I guess they were thinking that they were gonna get out, which obviously they didn't. The initial attempt was explosive. We might use it to test under real conditions. I don't know what it means, but I'll probably use it later. We should go to Momo. That Momo person who the Guardian told us about. Ooh, Momo. So, can we get the little thing, or... Yeah, get out of here. Alright. We'll be on our dilly-dally way. That's the beach again. Kinda? Oh, close enough. So I think they all wanted to be in paradise, but obviously they can't because they're in the slums. Okay? Okay. Oh, come on. We could definitely jump that. Hello, musician. We have something for you. Musician. Oh, nope, show item. This was composed by a renewed algorithm. Wow. Let's hear it. Gotta put headphones in this. Both headphones. Huh. I think you need to tune your guitar. Sounds cool. Watch that. This one isn't bad. Still going? Thank you. Hello, I'm a merchant of the market. You give me something, I give you something in exchange. It's as simple as that. I have a set of electric cables, the best of the market. I'll exchange the super for the Super Spirit detergent. That's the best I can do. Super Spirit detergent. Don't have anything for you. This is a music sheet, a masterful piece of art, and of a very renowned artist. It will cost you 1 energy drink. I can't do less. I think it's worth it. Why would I need speed? Here you go. Almost whole thing up there. I could definitely get up there, but the game won't let me. That is sad. When the game won't let you. Like, my character could obviously, like, get there. So, like, why can't I get... Huh? Wait. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Okay. He's rainbow, he's gay! He's sad. There's old white man on the side. You go. Is this Momo? You translate. Outsiders. Whoa. It's never gonna work. Why do I let them go? I'm all alone now. Hey, do you want... Oh, what do you want? Hey, I'm here to see Momo. Chicken? Kirkin? Problem? Season 1. Wow. I would hate to see that. Remember. Whoa! Back home, I remember this video game. It was made... I think it was... I was created... Wait. It was made just after I was created. I think. Well, I can't remember. Scientists spent a lot of time playing it. It was fun. I miss him. Why can't I remember his name? Also, there's just a cow. Is it me or what's it called? His eyes are rainbow. Just like his face is rainbow. That's cool. There's a lot of things. Cows. Keel. No. Keel. I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a door. Oh. Ooh. That's cool. You translate. The city has a cylinder shape. I can't read that. Okay. The cylinder has the city has a cylinder shape of about 450 meters in diameter. It's a level above ours. The city seems to have a ceiling. If I believe my books, a big blue sky is hidden behind. You are correct, my friend. There is a big blue sky hidden behind. Lots of books, cool books. Plants, everything. This is a cool place you got here, Momo. Just be a shame if I like mess it all up. Well, Momo, I don't know what I thought you were like some human or like some special person, but I assume you're special, but like not really special. What's in Oh, music sheet. That's cool. Oh, I think there's a memory back there. There's something. No, I don't want you. Get out of here. Ugh. I don't like the robot. He's like not as bad, but I just don't like him. Q, am I gonna have to scratch it again? Come on. Curiosity killed the cat. Nice. Oh, my controls are inverted. How do I get this off? Okay, yeah, that was funny. Pretty cool. I like this place, Mama. More beach. All Caribbean, Bahamas, whatever. Just all of that. But none of the real life. Catapult? Wait, hold up. I don't understand that. Catapult. I literally just jumped. It's probably like the most amount of times I've jumped. Okay, Momo, I'm gonna explore. I already explored your room. Hey, come here. It's not working. I have to show you an item. How do you like this item? This is the picture of outside. Do you want to know? Do you want to go there? Well, don't bother. It's a waste of time. It will only bring you loneliness and despair. My friends had the stream too, but now they're all gone. I'm all alone. I don't know where they ended up. I tried to contact them, but bleep 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 translator did not work. My friends and I took notes of our research about the outside. Here, take mine if you really want to go out there. Whoa, Momo's book. That's very creative, Momo. It's like a coloring book almost. Very cool, Momo. 360, 360, 360. You're on your own. I'm done with the outside. Good luck. You know what, Momo? You suck. You're terrible. Momo seems very sad. He misses friends. Momo, your friends, they're all dead. Go stop crying. Let me check the notebook he gave us. The Outsider's Manifesto. We must go outside at any cost. We must protect our brothers and sisters. We must stay away from deserts. It is signed Clementine, Zabaskar, Doc, and Momo. It looks like Momo's name was added later. I think we should find other notebooks. Yeah, one problem there, buddy. I don't know where they are. No, chum. Oh, yeah, it was translate. Some of the wall matches one on notebook. Okay. Oh, wait, what? We have to go there. Oh my gosh. Seems to be a lead. Thank you, Momo. Oh my gosh, we have a cat. Got a bucket. You know what? Why don't we use buckets more often? Buckets are just very important. Honestly, I think anything could be a bucket. Because, you know, buckets are infinite, I would say. Music sheet, nice, very nice. Buckets are just infinity, because, like, who's gonna say that something's not a bucket? Because a cup is technically like a bucket, if you really think about it. A cup is just a smaller bucket, and you drink out of it. So, like, you know, would humans be a bucket? You can drink, you can, like, put liquids in them. Sounds weird. That sounds... Why would I mean, it's technically true. You drink water, you drink lemonade. Yeah, you're putting a liquid. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. That sounds so a little zesty. Sounds a little zesty there. Okay. basketball thing here. Space keyboard. Clementine's notebook. We found all of the notebooks. Oh my gosh. Finally, the last book. It seems to belong to Clementine. Everything is going to be according to plan. We managed to contact the upper level before the transceiver went down. They were in a place called Midtown, and apparently it's controlled of some kind of oppressive force. I talked to Momo earlier. His eyes, I know this look. He will not come with us. Oh, what are you doing? There's also a note in the book. It says, I found the flaw in the transceiver, but I think I figured out how to fix it. Here's the question. With this, we should be able to help Momo repair the transceiver. If it can communicate with the other levels, that could be our way up. Let's show him what we found. I assume they're all dead now. But, you know. Oh my gosh, they have reflections. Pretty cool game. Never seen reflections. Okay. We don't know where we need to go down. Oh, yeah. Transceiver. Is something I'm supposed to know about? What's a button to, like, ask for help? Okay, show to B12. This one seems to be belong to active research. Have combined a powerful union. Okay. I don't think we read these. Seems to belong to me. Okay. Wow, the one button to help. What? We found the 4 Outsiders notebook now. A note how to fix the transceiver. Yeah, but let's bring it back to Momo in the orange neon. Thank you. I will bring it back to Momo. Okay, just hatting me out. Pretty cool. Now Momo's gonna be he's gonna be like, oh my gosh, I'm so amazed. How did you figure this out? Us robots are too dumb. We need organic, cool life, like cats and cats only, to like fix technology. Because we're such stupid idiots because we're robots. And I hate robots. Especially those deviants. Oh. Hey cat, are you still looking for those useless notebooks? Guess show me the 4th one. Oh, you found Clementine's notes. She's a really brave, you know. The most fearless person I ever met. That's my notebook. I was the last to join the Outsiders. I'm also the last remaining one. Sucks for you. That's Zabara's notebook, right? I never quite understood what he was talking most of the time, but he was very wise. Wait, you actually found all my friend's notebooks? Yeah, you stupid robot. What do you think I was gonna do? Like, you can't even, like, walk across to, like, your friend's building. Like, it's not even... Like, I understand I'm a cat. I could jump off, like, ledges and do parkour. But also, like, these are buildings. There's doors. You can get, like, you're a robot. You can just, like, open the door. Or, you know, there was, like, there was a pathway. You could get up there. Like, if you were that determined, if a human can, like, do that, which a human could definitely. A regular maybe not regular, but a person could definitely go across those, like, one little pipe. But it wasn't like a small pipe that only cats could. It was a big pipe, and if you really want to, you could hug it. Yeah, you could fall to your death. But also, that's not my problem, and that sounds like you're a little Debbie Downer loser. Oh. That's a note. The transceiver can be repaired. This is incredible. This means we should be able to communicate outside of the slums. Clementine, Zaclabar, Tazar, Doc, I'm sorry. I doubted our cars. I promise you I will find a way to reach the surface. Okay, yeah, finally. You stop being a little baby. Thank you. We might be able to find a way up. Now let's fix the piece of junk transceiver. Yeah. Come on, Momo. It's a radio. Vola. I don't know Spanish. It works. Come with me. I will come with you, my friend. Come on. Okay. It's up there. See the building? High above the others. If you install the transceiver at the top of the tower, we should be able to communicate with the whole city. My friends might still be able to out there. No, they're dead. Stop worrying about your friends. They're all dead. They got shot. They got stabbed. They got, I don't know, blown up by like a tank, artillery tank. They're like drowned. They're all dead. Stop worrying about your friends. Just get this cat to safety. If there's a way out, they'll know it. Cool. You're the only small and quick enough to evade the Zurks. We need you, little outsider, to bring us to the sky. Oh my gosh. You're the only small... Okay, yeah. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to fight Zurks. What? I have to feed my cat, you know. Why would I want to do that? I have a cat right here. What the flip, Mom? What the frick? I gave my cat water. Ew. They made water from Minecraft into real life? Oh my gosh. This new update God created was kinda cool, not gonna lie. They added cats from Stray to real life? Now, that's a cool update. Update 2022. Looking kinda good, not gonna lie. Monkeypox was a little weird, but you know. Okay, rooftops. Oh my gosh, that is so many of them. I don't like this place. Oh, yeah, there's some guy's arms ripped off. For good luck, I think we should do that. Good. Okay. Okay, I don't like this place. So, we're gonna have to, like, do... Can we jump? No, we can't. Okay. Left alt, left alt. Oh, crap, left alt. What? What do I have to do? What do I have to do? What if I do? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They can't jump, can they? No, they can't. Stupid little idiots. I hope they all, like, burn in hell. I don't know. Stupid little things. I actually just die, like... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Bro, what is this game? This game? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I died. What was I supposed to do? That was the first... I should have gone through this game without dying. I was clicking left alt. I call foul play on that. Race, what am I supposed to do? Oh, I see. So, since we're cool, we're gonna go this way. Those stupid little idiots. Oh my gosh, they can kind of jump. Okay, well, I hope they all, like, die. Yeah. You're terrible. Horrible. Like, your mom probably hates you. Okay, I don't need you. Okay, let's translate this. Remember. It's like some Spanish, I think. The city is full of neon. It wasn't always this way. We used to have strict energy caps, especially in the slums, but people couldn't handle the consistent darkness. So one day someone lit up rainbow lamps, neon signs all over their house. The person was taken away, never seen again. But people saw in hope not so long after everyone started putting lights in their home, there was nothing the oppressors could do. It was a way for people to see colors like on the outside. I think it helped. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, well, I absolutely hated that, so hopefully you just like, I don't know, what do we do? Climb this? Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guess we go this way. Nope, you need to push it more. Nice. Okay. This cat learned physics. Pretty good, pretty good. I must say physics is a very nice thing. Cat, go in here. We now know how to use this. We're using technology. No, we're gonna keep going. I think we're gonna... Oh, I guess not. Nice. Look at us, parkour master. So this place is absolutely terrible. Oh gosh. Ew, I don't want the cat touching that. Ew, oh my gosh. What is wrong? Oh, this is a terrible... This is like hell. This is like actually hell. What is this place? Ew, it's weird. And it's moving too. Okay, so like the flesh is alive. That's weird. I hate this place with all my heart. Oh my gosh. Okay, good thing they can't get in because they're stupid little idiots. Stupid little idiots. Why are we gonna open it? Oh gosh. Now we... Haha, you stupid little idiots. Maybe like, get better, I don't know. These stupid little fleshy blobs of Satan and disgusting, horrible things. You're one of the worst things. If I ever saw you in real life, I would find a gun and shoot you till you're dead, till you never wake up. I hope your children die too. Someone could take this out of context, and that could be very weird sounding. But you know what? There is context. This video. Yeah. Beautiful. Corporation. So it seems like a mix of... Oh, ew. I don't want to go down here. It's weird. A weird place. This is satanic. This is a terrible place for terrible people. We're not touching those things. This is a horrible place for... This is horrible. This is like hell. So if you ever wake up in one of these, just know that like you're probably in hell. Yeah, like... Okay. There's like the upside... I like how they have the upside down, like, ash effect. But it's not the upside down, because this is lame. Oh, they can climb... Can they climb this? I don't want to trust it. Oh, what the... Oh. I am restraining myself from saying very non-nice words. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah. Ew, ew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What was I supposed to do? Like... Like, maybe I should have got the speed cola, but also I need all the music sheets. So. What am I supposed to do? So, I assume we go into one of those. No, run, run. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It literally keeps getting stuck. There's nothing you can do. So obviously I can't. Literally, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing exactly how it wants you to do. I mean, run through them? No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jump, jump, jump. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Don't jump. Yes. Thank you. See, they're actually good this time. Oh, can they jump? Well, they're kind of stupid. Where do I want to go? Hey, me, you stupid idiots. Bro, jump! Oh my lord! Jump, yeah, come on. Like, you're a cat, like... You should be able to do this. I have a cat, and I know cats are very nimble and fast, and you cannot catch them. Okay, we don't want to open that. Oh, I see what we have to do, okay. Okay. So, speed cold. Jump. Yeah, you idiots. Can they even climb that? Oh my gosh, they can climb that. What? Idiots. You freaks of nature. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's one of them is in here. Go back to your family. You stupid, insignificant, terrible thing. I hope, like, every worst thing that could happen to you happens to you. Is he gone? No. You need to leave. Okay. Well, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I'm not bringing this out here. So I'm supposed to bring it out and then hack them back into here. Where'd they go? Oh my! Run! Did they like despawn or something? Like, where'd they go? Are they like that stupid that they like can't go across? Wow, you stupid idiots. Wow, you're so stupid you can't like jump. Like, what a stupid idiot. Like, maybe stop being a stupid idiot and start being a smart, cool person. You stupid idiot. Okay. You stupid idiots, look at you. You're stupid, you're fragile, and no one will love you. It's a sad fact, but sadly no one's ever gonna love you, so maybe, like, stop. I would just personally kill yourself if I were you. None of them are here, so we're fine. So, we're not going down there. So, like, what do we, yeah. Ah, the lever, of course. That is the, oh, what the, oh, ew, oh my gosh. Go, run, run! Where am I supposed to go? Oh. Where am I supposed to go? You idiot! Where am I supposed to go? Oh my gosh, I need the speed cola. I wish I had the speed cola. Good dog. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Run. Stupid. Oh my gosh. No! No! Get off of me, you freaks of nature. No one loves you, and no one ever will. Oh my gosh! Yeah, you stupid idiots. Look at these stupid idiots. Yeah, stop trying. Can't there just be like, I don't know, Nazis or something? Instead of like these little zergs. I think that'd make a much better enemy. These are not weird. They are weird. Okay. We have the radio tower. Open the door. Can you open the door? Okay. What a stupid little thing. Okay. The door should open. Here it is. Put the transceiver on the antenna. Need to use item. Nice. Oh my gosh. The lights are coming on. Oh my gosh. We're like, that's the wall, I think. My question is, how did we get down here? Because if we fell down here, shouldn't there be like a way out? Like, why not use one of these cranes or like maybe the bajillion boxes or anything to get out? Unless just it's a really long fall. Yes. That's honestly the best way to be transported. Instead of using an elevator, look at the view, it's beautiful. Beautiful, yeah, I agree. I remember now, the city was meant to be a shelter. For what? Those stars, they aren't only lights to make. Lights marking the harmonic roof ceiling. The humankind built this shell to protect themselves from the outside, but it came with a cost. Nobody can go out. The outside was a disaster, completely barren, livable and dangerous. But if you come from there, it must mean that it's safe. And my promise wasn't just to go to the outside, it was to open the city. I still don't understand why some memories are coming back and others aren't. But I'm certain now that my purpose has to be open the city. Come on. Let's go to find Momo. Now that we've connected the transmitter, we should be able to help. I agree. Oh my gosh, we're gonna remember the memory. We have to spin. Oh my gosh, the little guy spins with us. See down there, that's like hell. But see, we're cool. We don't go to hell. We go to the outside. It's like Danganronpa, like how they're always obsessed with like going to the outside world. You know, like the whole game's trying to figure out like what happened to the outside world. The slums part 2. Let's see how long I've been recording. Okay, so we are now in the slums part 2. Where's Momo? I think that's a good place to, you know, end it off. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love playing this game. It's absolutely amazing. And I will make sure to play it again. But because of school back and stuff, I'm like an adult basically now, not really. I will not be... I'll try to record, but it'll probably stay the same schedule if I'm being honest. Just more like recording and uploading on like the weekends. So that's all what I have to say for this video. Bye bye.